I'm going to show you the differences between the three Lovelace modes: Auto-Generated Mode, Storage Mode, and YAML Mode. First, the Auto-Generated Mode. This is the mode that you will see when you update to 0.84 or above, regardless if you are new to Lovelace or an existing user of Lovelace. This mode is called auto-generated because any entities that you have will automatically be placed into cards, and any entities that are added thereon will be placed into cards or new cards automatically. Editing of this mode is not available from the UI or from the files. If you would like to take control of your Lovelace UI, then you can switch to the storage mode. To switch, press the three dots in the top right-hand corner and click Configure UI. This brings up a pop-up explaining what is happening. It says, by default, Home Assistant will maintain your user interface, updating it when new entities or Lovelace components become available. If you take control, we will no longer make changes automatically for you. Are you sure you want to take control of your user interface? If you do not want this to happen and you want your Lovelace to be auto-generated, you will click Never mind. If you would like to take control and edit your Lovelace cards and UI manually, you will say Take Control. Now nothing has changed, but it has copied the auto-generated and made it editable. You will now be able to edit views and cards and even add cards. To do this, you'll click Configure UI. Now you'll see that the app header has changed colors, noting that you are in edit mode. You will also see a few more options available, such as editing a view, editing a card, adding a card, and adding a view. We are now in storage mode. This is the only mode where the front-end editor, which you are seeing now, is available. You can also convert your existing Lovelace file to storage using these following steps. For 0.85, once you are in edit mode, noted by the color of the header, you will click the three dots in the top right to see Raw Config Editor. If you are in 0.84, you will see that in the original drop-down here underneath Configure UI. If we click on Raw Config Editor, we'll see a large text box. You can note this by the cursor moving and blinking in the top left. To convert your existing UI, we will take it, copy, and paste. Your UI text. This can include resources and custom cards. However, this does not allow for any includes, any secrets, or any comments. An include looks like this. Secret looks like this. Comment will look like this. Here in the top left, you can see those are not available in storage mode. These will be deleted out and not saved, or it may not even let you save, as an error will occur. Once you have deleted all those and you have a valid config, you can click Save and then exit out of this view. You'll see here that your view is changed to your old Lovelace view. You would now be able to edit this via the front end and change anything you would like. Now you do not have the ability to use the files, however, you can go back to the raw config editor and edit it just as you would before. Now, if you are wanting to continue using your secrets, your includes, or your comments, then you'll need to switch to YAML mode. To switch to YAML mode, you'll need to bring up your configuration.yaml file. We will create a Lovelace entry. Under Lovelace, we will create a mode. The mode will be set to YAML. Save that and go back to our Home Assistant. Here we will go to Configuration, General, and Restart under Server Management. You may restart in any way you would like. Once this is restarted, you will see that the overview will now be your old Lovelace configuration. Now, if you had already converted, you will see nothing has changed. But if you go to the three dots and try to configure UI, you will get a pop-up that says the Edit UI is not available when in YAML mode. This is YAML mode, and you will only be able to edit your YAML via the files in your text editor. Now, these are the three modes of YAML.